Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about best video editing app for Android user. The very first one on my list right here is this particular one right here. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, go ahead and click on search. Come to the search app and game. Go ahead and click on CapCut. Hit on search, just like so. So next thing you want to do is to click on here, expand, just like so. So as at the time of making this video, you can see the number of people that are using this app. 1 billion plus have downloaded and used the app. Take a look at the interface of the app right here. Video and photo magic, AutoCut, AI translator, AI dialogue scene, AI avatar, auto captions of different styles, as you can see right here, text templates, effects, and etc. So all you have to do is to make sure you download and install CapCut. After a successful download and install CapCut, go ahead and hit on open. I've already downloaded and installed CapCut photo and video editor. That is why you see update right here. So if I click on update, the app is going to be successfully updated. After a successful update, I will simply click on open right here, and it's going to load the interface of CapCut. Let's take a look at the second app I have for you as far as best video editing app on Android phone is concerned. Go back to your Play Store. So I'm going to go back right there, and then go ahead and make sure you search for Filmora. Filmora, hit on search. And here you go. This is Filmora editing app right here. Go ahead and click on that. And as at the time of making this video, you're going to see the number of people that are using this app right here. 100 million plus are using Filmora video editing app to edit their video. Click on the interface to edit their video, edit their picture. AI video generator is available, AI template, and AI cutout. Dynamic caption of different styles, just like what you see right there. Background video remover or background image remover, as the case may be. AI music and core speed, etc. So this is another great video editing app that you can use on your Android phone. Filmora AI video editor and maker. Let's take a look at another one right here. So the third one I have for you as far as best video editing app is concerned on Android phone is Edit. Go ahead and hit on search. So you have it right here. Go ahead and click on here to open the app, just like so. So I have already downloaded and installed the app. So at the time of making this video, 50 million plus have downloaded and then use this particular Edit app. So let's take a look at the interface. One thing about Edit app is that it is basically made for social media video editing like TikTok, Facebook, Reels, or Instagram Reels, or YouTube Short, as the case may be, because you can only get a vertical format, just like what you see the sample right here. And one thing about this Edit app here is that it is a free video editing app that you can get free music, you can use different effects, just like so. So you can see the interface right here, just like so. So let's go back to the Play Store search right here. So the very last on my list here is InShot. So go ahead and type in InShot editing app, just like so. So at the time of making this video, over 500 million plus are downloaded and using this app to edit their photos and videos. So click on the interface. You have AI video editor, and then here apply super transition, different kind of transition, animated sticker and text, as the case may be, music, effect, and voiceover, and enhance with AI effect, as the case may be, or AI auto captions and AI speech, as the case may be. Save in 4K for free, just like so. You can, which simply means that you can export your video in 4K quality even without using their premium version. It's that simple. These are great for video editing apps for every Android phone user. Let me know what you think about some of these apps in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.